Hi, class 5, how are you doing? So, how was your Wednesday, your Tuesday, your Monday? You went through the classes. I hope you had a great time. So, today is Thursday, today is the 11th, right? So, we'll be having, we have finished actually, yes, ninth was Tuesday. So, 10th, 11th, today is Thursday. So, yes, so we have finished that chapter 12 which we had with us, and my question answers you must have got it on. You will be getting it. Sorry, you will be getting it today. So it will be posted up uh, today only. So you don't have to worry. So you will be getting it. So that's of chapter uh, 12. That's of chapter 12. You will be getting that, so you don't have to worry. So have you done that? It was all about communication and modern techniques, right? So means of communication we had was discuss the communication for personal use was our computers, laptops, phones. Postal service was earlier. Emergency mails was sent by telegraph. Then the internet came in and we started sending electronic mail. Then the means of mass communication is newspaper, magazine, television, radio, the internet. I have explained everything to you, and that's told to you. Okay, so now I come to that exercise part. Fill in the blanks. You are supposed to do it yourself. Okay, but I'll just tell you, just listen very carefully what I'm saying, the answers. Fill in the blanks, page 74, and the chapter is, again I'm forgetting the name, communication and modern techniques. Communication and modern techniques, chapter 12, page 74, exercises 1, fill in the blanks. A. Communication means to keep in dash, means touch. T O U C H. T as in Tom, O as in orange, U as in umbrella, C as in cat, H as in house. Touch. T O U C H. Touch. We need to communicate. Number B. We need to communicate with friends and relatives. Relatives regularly. Okay. So friends and relatives. Number C. The internet helps us to send electronic mail, or rather email. Okay, great. Now earlier urgent messages used to be transmitted through telegraph. T as in Tom, E as in elephant, L as in Lima, E as in elephant, G as in giraffe, R as in Rodensir, A as in apple, P as in Paul, and H as in house. Okay, telegraph, not telegram, telegraph. Number E. Telephone is a means of verbal communication. Verbal. V as in very, E as in elephant, R as in again Rodensir, B as in ball, A as in apple, L as in Lima. So that's verbal communications. Okay, that's done. So the first answer is touch, second one is friends and relatives, third one is emails, the fourth one is telegraph, the fifth one is verbal communication. Clear? Great. Now match the columns A and B. So A is communication. We'll go to in the B section number 2, to keep in touch. Communication is to keep in touch. So you will mark that, to keep in touch. Can I show it to you? Will it be possible to show it to you? Are you able to see it? I'll bring it much more closer. So you'll be able to see it, right? Okay. So even if you are not able to see it, I'm sorry, but because it's on the camera, I am very bad at showing things on the camera, so I don't. But anyways, everything is given to you. I am telling it to you. Pause and listen. First one, A is going to go to the number 2, keep in touch. B is email, is going to go to number 4, electronic mail. Okay. C, mobile phone will go to number 1, also helps to send and receive messages and pictures. C, mobile phone will go to number 1. D, newspapers will go to number 5, mass communication. And E means surfing will go to number 3. Let's show it like this. Number 3 helps to find information on the internet. So I'll repeat it again. Match the columns A plus B. A will go to number 2. B will go to number 4. C will go to number 1. D, newspapers will go to number 5. And E will go to number 3. Okay? Choose the correct answers. Which of these was used to transmit urgent messages in older times? Okay? Fax, mobiles, telegraph, none of these. The answer is telegraph. Number 3. Number 3, A, number 3. That is, which of these used to transmit urgent messages in olden times? That's telegraph. Which of these are means of mass communication? All of these. 1 is radio, 2 is television, 3 is newspaper. So you have to mark all of these. Who invented the television? Baird, Marconi, Armstrong. None of these. So the television was invented by John Logie Baird in 1922. The first one you are going to take. Which of these enables us to watch live action? Radio, television, magazines, newspapers. Television. Which of these is the fastest means of communication? Number 1, postal service, internet, newspaper. None of these. It's going to be internet. Unscramble the letters to form the correct words. The first one is telegraph. Try it yourself also. Second one is early means of verbal communication, telephone. Number C, a recent invention through which messages and pictures can be sent instantly, mobile phone. D, it helps to view sports, television. E, it has brought the world closer, internet. Now, how has communication developed over the years? Isn't it? Now, we have to check that. How has communication developed over the years? Communication has developed over the years. Question number 1. Answer the following. I am going to make a PDF for you, but I am just telling you. Communication has developed over the years as many technologies like mobile phone, internet, etc. have been developed by which people who live far away can communicate with each other. I'll repeat it. Communication has developed over the years as many technologies like mobile phone, internet, etc. have been developed by which people who live far away can communicate with each other. Let me see if it's here for you. That's the answer which I gave you. You will write that. so that will be all on the same page. Okay, so that will be easier for you to understand. So what is the second one? The second one is what is the question? How can you categorize the means of communication? Answer: means of communication, how do we categorize? Personal use, example mobile phone, internet, bracket we put emails. Second is mass communication, newspaper, radios, and the television. Okay, why do you feel it is important for us to communicate? Why do you feel it is important for us to communicate? Why? So it is important for us to communicate because so that we can keep in touch with each other, be in touch with our friends and relatives. We can get to know about what is happening in the world. For class 5, this is more than enough. Okay, so I'm going to come back. I'll do one more question and then I'll come back in the next video. What are the different means of communications that you use? The different means of communications that we use are mobile phones, television, newspapers, radios, and what? Internet. List the various type of mass communication. Write a note on the importance of newspaper. Means of mass communication are television, newspaper, magazine, radio, internet. Importance of newspaper: it gives us news from all over the world like history, politics, science, and sports. So this is done. You don't have to worry about this. Even if you don't hear it properly, I don't mind, because I'll be making a file for you. I'll make a document file and I'll send it to you, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so catch you in the next video. So this chapter is done. Please get it done by yourselves. I've said everything. If you have any issues, please do drop in a message on the group, and or you can drop it on YouTube also. I'll get the message. Second thing is that I'll be posting it. You'll be getting the information by Friday evening, that's tomorrow evening, or Saturday morning. Or Saturday morning is 100%, it will be there on the website, because it takes time to upload and this IT section is there. So I uploaded and you will get it through. So no problem. You won't have an issue in viewing that. This one I have told you the answers for fill in the blanks and match the column, choose the correct answer, unscramble the letters. So don't worry, everything will be there. You just make sure you learn the chapter properly and do it yourself. And if you have any issues, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Rest, I'll come back in the next video and we are going to start we are going to start the next chapter. That's on page 76, chapter 13. That's natural disasters. We'll do with earthquakes. What is an earthquake? What are the causes? What are the precautions? Then we have volcano eruption. What are the causes in that? So etc, etc, etc. We can do that and we know what all about it. It's going to take time. I just don't want to rush through. So see you in the next video. Okay? Don't vanish. I'll be right there.